My name is Cody Guillaume. I am a sophomore at Perry Central Schools. I am in a ag mechanics class right now, and that has given me opportunities on my business plan. Here recently I had a dirt bike. It was a 2000s model. It was a CR125. It was a Husqvarna. When it was brought to me, the motor was blown and I was told that I needed to rebuild it. First off, I started with working from the top of the motor down, replaced piston rings, everything through the motor, had to go into the motor deeper than I thought I was going to. So by the time I was done, I had the entire motor rebuilt. That was all the bearings, all the seals and everything. And because of this bike, it has allowed me to get opportunities to work at the local mechanic shops around here. One of them's name is Flash Suzuki. I have been offered a job down there. For my business, I would charge roughly around $50 an hour, to where that your local mechanic shops charge about $80 an hour, and the upfront costs for the parts and just the materials would be around $700 for that Husqvarna dirt bike build. With the help of Innovate Within and the experience I have gained from this project, it will help me to start my own business in small engine repair here in the state of Indiana.